Welcome to the complete FAA Part 107 Remote Pilot Exam Prep playlist from Open Exam Prep. This free course gives you a structured path through 50 numbered Part 107 lessons, followed by longer guides for the complete exam, airspace and sectional charts, LAANC, and recurrent training. For a first-time remote pilot certificate, the FAA says you must be at least 16 years old, be able to read, speak, write, and understand English, be in a physical and mental condition to fly safely, and pass the Unmanned Aircraft General Small Knowledge Test. The current FAA testing standard lists 60 questions and up to 2 hours for the test. Always confirm the current process with the FAA before scheduling. The course follows the major knowledge areas in the FAA Remote Pilot Airman Certification Standards. You will study regulations, airspace classifications and operating requirements, aviation weather sources and effects, aircraft loading and performance, operations, emergency procedures, crew resource management, radio communication, airport operations, maintenance, pre-flight inspection, and aeronautical decision-making. The goal is not just to memorize isolated numbers. Learn how the rules, charts, weather, aircraft performance, and pilot judgment work together in the scenarios you may see on the knowledge test and in real operations. Episodes 1 through 50 begin with certification, recurrent training, operating limits, visual line of sight, night operations, operations over people and moving vehicles, accident reporting, and waivers. The course then moves through Class B, C, D, E, and G airspace, sectional charts, LAANC, special use airspace, notices, airport operations, weather reports, forecasts, visibility, density altitude, loading, batteries, and performance. The final lessons cover risk management, hazardous attitudes, crew communication, right-of-way, lost link and emergency procedures, pilot physiology, night vision, anti-collision lighting, remote ID, and detect and avoid foundations. Start with this introduction, then complete episodes 1 through 50 in order. After the numbered course, use the related long-form videos for a complete study guide, focused airspace and chart practice, and a clear explanation of recurrent training. Your remote pilot certificate does not expire, but the FAA requires current aeronautical knowledge. Complete the applicable FAA online recurrent training within the previous 24 calendar months before operating under Part 107. For free practice questions, study guides, and AI-powered explanations, visit open-examprep.com.